Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to play Sweet Creature by Harry Styles. Let's jump in. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you like it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've already done that, go to patreon.com, download the tab sheet so you can speed up your learning. It's easy, it's simple. For only $5, you get access to every single tab I have ever created. Right now, that's over 100 tabs for $5. That is a very, very good deal. And if you want them emailed to you so you don't have to rifle through or print them out yourself, then I will send you that email. Go visit patreon.com for details to check it out. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time.